What's the meaning of bergamot? Bergamot. Bergamot.
Bergamot. Bergamot. Bergamot is a type of citrus fruit with a unique flavor and aroma. It grows on a small tree that is primarily cultivated in the Mediterranean region, particularly in Italy. Bergamot is prized for its essential oil, which is used in many products, including perfumes, soaps, and teas. The oil is extracted from the peel of the fruit, which is highly fragrant and has a slightly bitter, sour taste. Bergamot is also commonly used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including anxiety, depression, and digestive issues. Overall, bergamot is a versatile and valuable plant that has many uses in different industries and fields.